Hello 5th grade, welcome back. I'm so happy that you are here today. Today we're going to review about Unit 1 topics, but today we're going to focus more than everything in WH question words. Remember that last week we did activities and some review about this topic, but today we're going to focus on more WH question words. Because as you know, there are a lot more of WH question words. So let's start so we don't miss any more time. So I'm going to show you this chart, and we have lots and lots of WH question words, but I'm going to try to explain the most common. We're using in the book some of them, we're not using all of them, but I want you to see them so you can have an idea and you can understand. So the most common is who, and is used to ask about a person's identity. Who is she? Who is she is an example, okay? We have also whom, is to ask about a person as an object, okay? Whom did you see? Whose is to ask about ownership. For example, if the book belongs to someone, whose book is this? Or whose are these keys? What? Maybe you know this one. What is used to ask about information about things. What is your name? When is used to ask about time. When did he do? Where is used to ask about places. Where does George live? Why is used to ask about reasons. For example, what did you say that? Okay? Or what did you miss your activities? Which is used to ask about choice. For example, which dress do you like? That means that they are giving you options of dresses. Maybe they are giving you 3 dresses and you need to choose one. And I will say, which dress do you like? And we also have how much, how many. We're not going to do a review about these ones. How, to ask about way, manner, or form. How is your mother? Okay, and yes, that's it. So, you should copy this chart. If you need it to copy, you can text me by the platform and I will send it to you. But if it's helpful or if it's easier to you to copy from this video, you can pause it right now and start copying. So now that you're finished copying this chart, we can keep going with the activities. So we are going to do activities on page 10 from the workbook, and we are going to do activities about these questions, but we are going to use them to write a good news article. So we are going to check this. We have the key questions: who, what, when, where, and what happened. And this chart in purple, I think, it says, a good news article includes important information about an event. It includes the answer to these questions. Who is the article about? What is the article about? When did the event happen? Where did the event happen? Or what happened? A good news article also gives other information to make the story interesting. But don't forget the answer to these questions. Okay, so as you know, these key questions are the most common. I will show you some other WH questions. They are used to ask about information. In this case, we are going to focus on a news article. In the next week, I'm going to ask you to find a news article on the internet, and I'm going to give you questions, and you are going to answer these questions about your news article. So this time we're going to do activity 20, and it says read the answers A, answer, 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 and answer. Complete questions. Q. Question, 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 and question. With who, what, when, where, or what happened. You need to read, first of all, the information that they are giving you. Also, please pay super attention to the answers so you can complete the questions, okay? That's it. It's quite easy, but if you have doubts, don't hesitate to ask me. In exercise 21, it says, write a news article, use the information in the chart. Add interesting information, okay? And they are giving you the blanks to write your article. So, it says the information. Who? People who enjoy acting. What? Audition for the musical Peter Pan. When? Last month after school. Where? In the auditorium. What happened? More than 20 students auditioned. And interesting information says, everyone was nervous. Mr. Bannister's going to post the results on the school website. So, the main activity that you need to do here is this. You need to write a paragraph, an article about and using the information that they are giving you in this chart. Don't forget to use all the information, but pay attention. There's no need to write the questions, okay? You won't write the questions. There's no need to write who, what happened. No, you're not going to write any questions. It's an article, it's a paragraph, okay? You are going to write sentences using this information, not questions. So, we have one more activity for the workbook, the notebook, and we have the instruction, and it says, copy on your notebook and answer with the correct WH question word. And you have 7 questions, and you have 2 options, A and B for each. So, this is your time to pause this video and copy this activity on your notebook. But if it's not clear to copy from the cell phone, from the tablet, from the iPad, or from the computer, you can ask me and I'll be happy to send you this picture, okay? And I'm also I will try to add this to the assignment. So that's it for today. Don't forget to write the date in each picture that you are going to send me. For example, today I ask you to turn in an activity from the workbook on page 10. When I finish this activity, I write the date for today and my name. Also, when I'm going to copy this activity on the notebook, I'm going to write the date and my name, okay? So that each picture is going to have the name and the date. So, please try to get used to it because it will help me when I check your activities. That's it for today. Enjoy this day. Stay safe, stay at home. And I'll see you the next time. It was so nice that you are here. Bye!